In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invert camera Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the meeting screen, where you can see your camera preview before you join. This is the best place to make camera adjustments, because you can immediately see what changes are being applied to your video. Once you are on the meeting page, look for the camera controls near your video preview. Click the video options area, which is where Teams keeps extra camera features. This opens the menu that includes effects, device options, and video settings. Next, select More Video Effects and Settings. This is the section that controls how your camera image looks, including filters and background effects, but it also includes important toggles for the camera orientation. After that menu opens, choose Settings. In the Settings panel, stay focused on the camera and video section, because that is where the mirror option appears. You should see a setting called Mirror My Video. When you click Mirror My Video, Teams will flip your camera preview horizontally, which is what most people mean when they say they want to invert the camera. Give it a moment and check your on-screen preview right away. You should notice that text, gestures, and any objects on your desk appear reversed compared to before. This change is mainly for how you see yourself in the preview. Depending on the Teams version and meeting experience, other participants may still see the normal, non-mirrored view. So it is a good idea to use the preview as your guide for how you want to appear, especially if you are presenting something in your background. When you are finished, click away from the settings panel to return to the main meeting screen. Continue closing the extra menus until you are back at your normal meeting controls and your updated camera preview is visible. If the image looks correct, you are ready to continue with your meeting. And that is all there is to it.